Hi guys, this is Sean from GeauxSavvyDesigns, and today I'm going to show you how on the Brother 1055X or the Brother 600 series you can create a patch right here in your design center. So let's grab an image. Oops, you know what? Let's go back over here. Let's get something cute. How about this heart? Since it's Valentine's Day coming up, we'll hit set. Now, you see we have right here, this is our applique settings as well. Now, you could actually make it into a circle, a square, whatever type of patch you want. But in this case, I wanted to outline the image. So I want it to be a little bit outside of it, or you can actually bring it right at it. So I'm going to do 0.2. So you can see what it looks like once it sets it. So now you see it's right around there. Now, if you wanted to have it layered, you could actually move it out. And the way to move it out is to do applique distance by adding it as far as you'd like. So I'm gonna leave it right there, and it populates right around it. So it gives a little bit of room because you're gonna have to cut it out. Now, when I click OK here, we can actually go in here and you'll see all of the colors. But let me show you this, because what you're concerned about is what's going to happen for the patch. Where does the tack down happen? All of that. So let's go look at it. When we go to our embroidery screen, okay, I don't have that color. So that color should be, oh. Do I have it in two places? No. Okay, so we're good. All right, so here's where it goes. If we go all the way down to the bottom, so the last thing that's going to happen for this particular patch will be you got a tack down, you got your steady stitch, you got your zigzag, and then your satin stitch right after that. So this would create your patch, period. All right, now let's do it for a word. We're going to go back. We're going to cancel that. Okay, so now let's use a word. All right, our word, we're just going to use go. Going to set it. We're going to do the same thing. Go right back here. And this time, I'm going to make it a square around it. And let's do set. Now, see how that is? That's not the square we want. So, I'm going to click cancel. And this time, I'm going to, because this little red square here should be it. So I'm going to pull it in. See how it's moving there? Then I'm going to stretch it out. Now you see this little square here is where we would have our patch edge. So if I hit set there, now you got it there. And if you want to change the color, you can change that color. So we can go in here, change the color there, and you can also change these colors if you wanted to. And then you can change the satin stitch. There we go. Now we got black. So there you have it. If we look at this, go into embroidery. And then, of course, now you actually have all of your stitches and you have your border. So just like that, you created a patch, and you didn't have to do it in any software. You did it on the machine that you purchased all that money. You spent all that money on. So guess what? You can create a patch just like that. Now, say for instance, we brought in a file. So I'm gonna go up here. Now I'm just gonna go to my drive. I'm going to pull in a file. Let's just pull in this heart here. We set it, same steps. I wanted to outline here, but I wanted to have a little bit of distance. Set it. See my outline around it? Another patch has created just that fast. All you have to do, stitch it out, change your colors if you want it to be something else, and then you are ready to go. All right, so that's how it is. You can create a patch inside of your screen with a few steps using your Brother 1055X or your Brother 600 series. That's how we do it on our Brother machines. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day.